Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to tell you about how to add a block library. So first, we are loading library.tel file into IGiS CAD. After that, using library command shortcut lib, we import the symbol from IGiS CAD Symbol Library. Here we are selecting our symbol and we are inserting at this location at the required scale. Next, we will customize a library. So for that, we will navigate to C drive program file, subfolder IGiS CAD Advanced, and in the further subfolder symbol, we will create a new folder wherein we will place our customized file. Next, we are drawing our symbols over here. And we will save it as DWG file in the desktop. Next, we will take a snapshot of the drawing and save it in PNG file in the desktop. So this file will be used for preview. Now we are copying both the files and we are pasting it in the folder we have created earlier. Now we go to library command to access the customized library. So that was all about library function. Thank you for watching the video.